name is SAFIRA. I'm from SMP Negeri 3 PLERET. I want to make photo frame. How to make photo frame from this cardboard? This cardboard, wrapping paper, scissors, glue, ruler. First, measure the used cardboard using a ruler. Adjust to the size of the card that has been prepared. Second, cut two pieces of cardboard that has been measured in a layer using scissors or cutter. Three. Mark a partition between the two cardboards by using another smaller piece of cardboard. 4. Glue the cardboard with paper glue. 5. Mark a support for the photo frame from this cardboard. Shape and size are adjusted according to taste. 6. Decor with wrapping paper or newsprint can be wrapped in whole or leaf but according to taste. Finally, the photo frame has been created. So this is the result.